Hello everyone, our today's topic is poster design and subtopic is plastic ban. Let's see the material required for the drawing. Clutch pencil, eraser, long scale, poster colors, brushes, palette, black macro tip pen, geometrical compass rounder, 1/4 side drawing paper or a drawing book. First we have to draw 1 centimeter borderline to a page, write down the heading. On a left on a corner, write down today's date. Here we draw on a topic plastic ban, in which we draw a 6 slides, in which in a 3 slides we showing on a disadvantage of the plastics, and in 3 slides we show on a solution for the plastics. Here is our drawing. I am lightly draw a drawing for you so that you can understand on a topic. We starts on a coloring. First we fill up transparent colors in all the slides related to the topic. Here I am showing on a industrial waste and all the waste of the plastic which is outside factories, and for that I am showing on a orangish color for the sky, and for the garbage I am showing on a greenish, orangish, brownish color. In second slide we showing on a plastic bad for the animals and birds. For that I am showing on a garbage, and one cow is eating on a plastic bag and one bird is taking on a plastic cover or bag and fly over on a cow. This scenario I am going to draw here. For that I am putting on a light blue color, and for the garbage orangish brownish color. In a third slide I am showing on a plastic bad for the ocean, and for that I am putting on a light blue color for the water and sky, and some orangish part, brownish part in a ground. These 3 slides on the right hand side showing why we ban on a plastic, and on the left hand side 3 slides showing the solution for the plastic ban or the replacement for the plastic. And for that I am showing one slide in which we showing on a garbage management, second slide showing on a plantation of the tree, and third slide showing on a replacement for the plastic, like on a paper bag we can use for the replacement of the plastic bags. In a center I am showing one big plastic bag which is stick in a red cross, so that we showing on a plastic ban topic highlightly. And for that I am using on a blue color. This is in a plastic bag with a dimension, and I am taking on a blue color so that it gets an a very good color scheme, and also giving some dimensions with the dark tones. You can see here. And now this is on a red cross which showing on a ban of the plastic. Blue and red color scheme is opposite of each other, that's why it gets an highlighted in a white surface. This is the main topic of our poster design, that's why I am taking this part in a center. So this is in a center of attraction of our poster design. Because of this red color, this part is highlighted more. And now we starts with the details of the slides. And now in a garbage we showing some plastic bags, some plastic material with falling in this garbage in different colors. We move to the next slide where we showing on a sea plants under the ocean with a green color, and some plastic bags and some plastic materials is falling on these sea plants. Some fish, some bottles, some plastic mugs are there which falling in the ocean. Now this is our cow. For that I am taking on some dark patch on the cow's body so that we can highlight this cow from this slide. And this is on a sky color for the ocean, so that we can differentiate the ocean and the sky very easily. Dark blue for the sky and a light blue for the ocean. In between these two intersection, I am adding some white tone so it gets an gradation also. Bird is very much far in the sky, that's why I am taking only the dark tone for the bird who is flying in the sky. This is an eyes for our cow. We adding some patches in a garbage also. This is our dustbin. Dustbins are in a different colors. Some are blue, green, red, orange, and every dustbin has their own advantage, own identity. For the plastic materials, you have to use blue color dustbin, and for the dry wastage, you have to use green color dustbin. Here we start coloring with the paper bag. For that, I am taking a brownish ochreish color scheme and give dimensions with the dark tones. I am showing two types of paper bags are there. One is a bag type and some small bags also are there for the grains and some small material we can use. These are colorful bags are there. Here we start with the industrial wastage. For that I am adding a tone of black color for the industry so that we can show this industry is very much far, and some plastic materials with the colorful colors like orange, red, brown. These paper bags we put it on a surface, that's why we showing on a shadow for these paper bags with the gray color. Now we come to the tree plantation. Here I am showing one plant is growing and we giving a water to this plant so that it's grow fast and give us a fresh air, which is also good for our health. Right now we just apply on a basic color on an object, then give on a details to the object. Now we come to the cow. For cow we fill up on a gray tone, and for the highlight white application. Here also we showing on a roundity. For that the inside we fill up on a darkened tone of the gray, and on the corner we fill up on a light white color, also showing on a depth. Now we add on a more plastic materials in a garbage. We giving on a details to the objects with the different shapes and colors. Here I am going to give details to the plastic bag which is on the center by doing some dark and light lines so it gets on a dimension also. Now we start on a outlining tracing with the black color with 0 number brush. You can use black micro tip pen for this border line, but for the professional likeness or the tones which is you required, you can use on the same dark tone of the object color for the border line, which you get on a very nice look. This fish has a straw stuck in his mouth, and that's why plastic ban is necessary to protect our sea life, our sea animal fish. Here we giving a nice example by showing this slide. Now I am going to trace a cow. Now you can easily identify the shape of the cow and how she eat on a plastic bag. Some dimensions with the lines. I am giving details with a 0 number brush by showing some dark lines and some dimensions. You can use black marker tip pen for these details, but if you want to show different tones or different tips of the lines, so you require a 0 number brush with the color. In 0 number brush you get 2 to 3 dimensions of the lines, while in a black marker tip pen you get only one single line, and this single line you have to use for full drawing. Next thing that you can change a tone while doing with the zero number brush. You can change it slightly brown, slightly bluish, and depend on your slide you can change on a color of the tone, so that you get in a different tones in your black outline also. Here I am using on a dark tone of the object. For example, for this object I am using on a brownish black color, so that it gets an a very nice likeness, and also we get an a vibrations of the colors, which is also necessary for our drawing. This is a kind of 2D design only. I am showing on a water here. We are giving water to our plant, and greenery with the brown soil. This is our nature, and very much important to protect our nature from the plastic, to prohibit it, air pollution, land pollution, sea pollution. This dustbin has a different shapes. I am showing this kind of dustbin, which is we generally seen in our areas, and some objects related to these dustbins. Like for the blue dustbin I am showing a wrapper of the plastic, and for the green dustbin I am showing banana peels, which is you have to throw it in a dustbin, and need to understand the difference between all these things. This is the detail we are giving to the plastic bag. Now it gets a proper look, which is you have to stick it in a cross. We write down the headings: reduce pollution, use paper bag, then plant a tree, waste management, save ocean, save our birds and animals from the plastic. All these things we have to write down in a letter. This is also a part of the poster, which is also required, because we are giving a message. A poster is a temporary promotion of an idea, product, or event put up in a public space for mass consumption. This is a one kind of advertising. That's why you have to write down some sentence related to your drawing that you have to tell to the peoples. And I am going to write down the sentence related to my 6 slides, like reduce pollution, save our birds and animals, then save ocean, and how to ban a plastic, how we have to protect our nature from the plastic, and what are the alternatives for the plastic. For that we showing on a waste management, then plant a tree, and use on a paper bags instead of plastic bags. That I am going to write here, and in a center I am going to write down on a ban plastic, which is our tagline for our poster design. Hope you understand this poster design. You also make some topic related poster like on a ban plastic. You can draw like on a save tiger, which is also very much important topic for our India. Then save water, save our earth, like topic also you have to take and make on a poster related to topic. I hope you understand this demonstration and how to draw a poster design related to topic. You can make on a poster design for school event or the sports event. Also you can make on a poster for your product like an advertising. Finally we add some highlights on the object so that it gets some highlight from the background. Hope you understand this demonstration. And now I am write down the final sentence, that is ban plastic. Thank you. Best of luck.